Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. This week I am kind of reviewing kits, but not really. No one sent me these balloon garland kits to review. I bought everything with my own money. I was browsing through Amazon looking at all the selection of balloon garlands that they have. Too many. And these kits did caught my eye, and I thought of an idea. Why not just include some Christmas, legit Christmas, bam in your face Christmas kits, just to make your life a little bit easier. I know not all of you guys want to buy a whole bunch of balloons and then create something of your own. Sometimes kits are a lot easier and you don't have to break your brains of thinking how many balloons I would need and what's the best, style I should create and technique. So I thought to include some kits, and I hope these kits will help you and they will inspire you and it will make your life a little bit easier before holidays. So this kit, you guys, that I'm about to show you how it's going to look, it comes in these bags right here. I bought 2 kits because I had this great idea. Maybe I can create this into something like wow, but then I looked closely into description of this kit, and this kit includes 144 pieces, which is more than enough for a great looking balloon garland. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll see. Maybe at the end of this I'm not gonna use 2 kits and this will be a giveaway video as well. Who knows? We'll see, you guys. By the way, this kit was recommended to me by one of the subscribers, and funny thing is that I was staring at that kit. I'm like, it looks so good, but it's just way too good to be true. I'm like, this looks beautiful. The price is fine. It cost $25.99, a little bit more than usual kits that I review, but I was staring at it and then I get this comment from one of the subscribers and I'm like, I guess it's meant to be. Everything that I will be using in this video for this garland and garland itself kit, I will link and list in the description under the video. So without any further ado, let's go. Here is what you will receive after purchasing this kit. Cannot wait. Let's dig in and see what we have inside. Let's break this down. So first things first, we have instructions on how to make this balloon garland. Very handy if you never constructed a balloon garland before. Then we have, like usual, balloon tying tool, which is very useful. It's gonna save your fingers from having blisters. Balloon strip to construct this whole thing. Glue dots, curling ribbon, lots of red balloons, white balloons. I am very confused because white balloons are in the bag and these are without the bag. It would be nicer if they would have bagged everything, but who cares, right? Then we have lots and lots of satin ribbon over here and lots of foiled balloons, which is great. So let's see. These are candy cane balloons. These are square balloons. And these are stars, I believe. And candy balloons. I mean, wow. I am impressed at how many foiled balloons they included in this kit. I am curious to see what's this going to look like constructed. So let's go. Alrighty guys, so I am ready to blow all of my balloons. I am thinking of using fishing line, but then it's kind of a kit. Let's use balloon strip, whatever is included, I'll be using. So I am taking my balloons and blowing them individually and tying them individually because it's literally impossible to fit 2 balloons in one hole. If you ever tried and you were successful at fitting 2 balloons in one hole, let me know in the comment section below. If you decide to work with fishing line, it's better to pair your balloons. In my case, balloon strip, 1 balloon per hole. I am using my electric balloon pump from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. Thank you so much for sending me this balloon pump. I love this thing. It is so much better than my old one. It is on a pricier side, but I feel like it's worth investing into something better if you work with a lot of balloons and you make a lot of balloon garlands and balloon installations. It is so much better, it is quieter, and so many other things that I love about this inflator. I'm not gonna talk much about this inflator right now, but if you decide to purchase anything from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company, you can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off. One more thing that I wanted to tell you guys, these headphones, AirPods, I use them to listen to music, to watch Shark Tank, watch anything while I blow my balloons because I get bored blowing my balloons. So I need something to entertain me. These are not for sound purposes or anything like that, just to keep me busy while I am blowing my balloons. You know what I mean? So let's go. Little trick for you guys: after you finished inflating your balloon, just press your balloon down against the floor to give your balloons more rounder shape. Just a little trick. I'm done with all of my latex balloons. Let's talk about our foiled balloons. Don't blow your foiled balloons, orbs balloons, or any other self-sealing balloons with warm electric balloon pump. That's why I prefer hand pump for my foiled orbs self-sealing balloons, because all balloons, all self-sealing balloons, they have this plasticky insert in them, and when warm air hits that plastic insert right here, you have a chance to melt that insert and your balloons will start deflating. So just, you know, grab a hand pump, insert your hand pump into your balloons and start blowing. Just to be safer, use hand pump. Balloons, you need to inflate until all the seams will be nice and smooth without any wrinkles. To construct our balloon garland, as you can see, we have two holes over here, bigger hole opening and smaller hole. I am starting to insert my balloons into a bigger hole. Make sure your knot is completely through, and then slide your balloon through the opening into a smaller hole and let it go. That's all you need to do to construct your balloon garland with your strip. Now, I am inserting everything on one side. You don't need to twist your strip to insert balloons, because as you start inserting balloons and you let them go, balloons and balloon strip will start twisting on its own, and balloons will find a spot where it's more comfortable for a balloon to lay, I guess you can say that. So you don't need to twist your balloon, and honestly, I don't see no difference between twisting balloon or inserting everything on one side. If your balloons are gonna get really tight, some of the balloons will start popping out of the strip. So keep an eye on your balloons. If you see balloons start popping out, skip a hole or two. I can't give you an exact pattern when to skip. You just need to kind of see yourself. If you see balloons are getting too tight together, I think it's time to skip a hole. This kit does not include any 5-inch balloons, so I am working with 10-inch balloons only. Alrighty guys, so my balloon garland is on. How I hang all of my garlands, I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands. I do show an up close on how I hang my garlands using backdrops and how I hang garlands using command hooks. So go check that video out. There's more than just this. There's more questions that I answer, and that video will be helpful. I am not using this roll of glue dots that is included in this kit because I doubt I'm gonna have enough glue dots to attach the remaining of my balloons to this garland. I didn't insert a lot of 10-inch balloons into this strip. I want to build this garland a little bit more, so this roll I guarantee won't be enough. So I will include this roll into this kit. This will be a giveaway kit, you guys. Yay, I'm so excited to give this kit away. You guys, this giveaway will be international. I hate to exclude any of the countries because I have followers from all around the world: Australia, Mexico, Philippines, United States, Canada, where else? Everywhere. You guys, you are amazing, and at least I can give you just a tiny bit back. So this kit will go to you, to one lucky winner. Rules are extremely simple. I don't want to do anything crazy because I don't like crazy rules when it comes to giveaways. So you must be subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram. I will check, give this video a thumbs up, and in a comment section below, you guys comment Christmas giveaway so I would know that you actually want to win this kit. I'm sorry, if you break one rule, you will be automatically disqualified from this giveaway. So please follow all the rules, and good luck to all. Stop for a little bit and deal with my square balloons. I did work with square balloons before. I like to use them in my holiday balloon garlands. Now I am taking this satin ribbon and I am wrapping my balloons like a present, creating a bow on top. And here is what I have for you guys today. Beautiful red and white Christmas looking balloon garland. I am loving the whole theme. I love how everything looks together. I love how everything works together. No complaints whatsoever. Quality of balloons are great. I only lost 4 balloons. That's not bad from the quantity of balloons that I have here. Balloons are soft and really easy to work with. I was surprised by the amount of foiled balloons that this kit includes or included in this kit. That's why probably this kit cost $25.99. I mean, I like it. I really do like it. I used low temperature glue gun to attach everything to my base. Also, I didn't use glue dots that were included in this kit because I included extra roll into a giveaway set that I will be giving away. So don't forget to check all the rules in the description under the video. This ribbon over here, you don't have to use this ribbon as I did. You can use it anywhere else for something else. You don't have to use it. I mean, it's totally up to you. I will link and list everything in the description under the video, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video as well. Here you have it, you guys. This is my take on this kit. Let me know what you think. If you have any additional questions, as usual, leave them all in the comment section below. I'll be there. I will try to answer and help you out to the best of my ability. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you're new here, don't wait. Hit the subscribe button down below for more videos. I hope you'll have a wonderful day. And I hope your preparations for Thanksgiving will be smooth as butter. Alrighty guys, I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back very soon. Bye!